Hey third grade, this is Miss Liberty with your Seesaw activity for writing for today. Today in Seesaw you're going to see 9.3 writing, and you are going to click on the first link to view today's lesson, so you can view that lesson if you missed your Zoom this morning or if you would like a refresher of what we talked about. And then the second link will be to this video. So you're going to click Add Response and then click on the link to watch the video. It is a 1 minute and 1 second long video from Jacqueline Woodson, who is an amazing author. Then you will use the tools to answer both questions. You'll see in just a minute that there are 2 questions that you will need to answer. And then use the microphone to share what you wrote and click the check to submit. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. When you open the activity, you are going to see books along the top, and these 4 books are 4 of the many books that Jacqueline Woodson has written. And so your first step is to click here to watch the video. So you're going to click on this link, and it is going to bring you to the video of Jacqueline Woodson. So let's go to that video. And we'll go ahead and watch this video.
My name is Jacqueline Woodson, and I've known I wanted to be a writer since I was 7 years old, and I've written 29 books now, everything from picture books to middle grade to young adult fiction, and I write across genres because I get bored just writing one thing, and I'm usually working on more than one book at a time. So if I get bored with one, I go to the other. If I get bored with that, I go to the next. And most of my writing is realistic fiction, except for Showay, which is a history of my family from my great-great-grandma to the present. But most of them are written about people who seem like they could be in the world. And I get my ideas from everywhere, from the newspaper, from things I see on the street, from other books I read, from talking to my friends, from talking to my family. And I just think that ideas are in the air.
All right, so now that you have finished watching that video, you are going to close out of that tab and head back over to Seesaw. So the first question says to write 2 pieces of advice that Jacqueline Woodson gives in her video. So there were a few pieces of advice, and we want you to go ahead and pick out 2 and go ahead and use the tools on the side to go ahead and write that in this box here. Your second question is going to ask you to write advice that teachers have given you about writing. So think about your very first teachers, which could be your parents and family members when they taught you how to write. Think about your pre-K, kindergarten, first grade, and second grade teachers. They are all amazing teachers, and I bet they gave you a lot of advice on how to be the best writer that you can be. So we want to know what types of advice, what words have your teachers used to help you with your writing? Did they ask you to add in punctuation? Did they tell you where to find ideas for writing? What about when you're finished with your story? What happens next? So think about what advice your teachers have given you about writing, and you'll write that right here. Then we would like for you to click the microphone on the side and record yourself reading what you have shared in both of these boxes. Once you have done that and everything looks good and is all saved, you're going to go to the top right to click your green check to show that you are finished and ready to submit your assignment. And there it will be. Let us know if you have any questions.